It's story time with Mommy.
Today on Story Time, we will be reading And Then It's Spring.
A bundle of Chase and Stella.
And Then It's Spring, written by Julie Fogliano and illustrated by Aaron E. Stead. First you have brown, all around you have brown. Look, the fields are brown, the bunny is brown. Even the turtle's a little bit brown. Then there are seeds. Look, he has fruits and vegetable seeds. There's a tomato and a pepper and wildflower seeds, and he's planting some. Oh, you can tell we like this book. And a wish for rain. He's all ready for the rain. He has on his rain slicker and boots and umbrella, and he's just waiting. And then it rains. They're all huddled underneath the umbrella. And it is still brown, but a hopeful, very possible sort of brown. They're playing in the puddles. And is that a little green? Oh, he's looking for the green with his magnifying glass. No, it's just brown, sort of brown. Then it is a week. And now he's planting the wildflower seeds to make pretty flowers. And you worry about those little seeds. He's watching them very carefully, and there's the turtle watching for some green, and the bunny is watering her carrots. And if maybe it was the birds, well, the bird, he has on a bib. They're eating all the seeds. Or maybe it was the bears and all that stomping. Because bears can't read signs that say things like, please do not stomp here. There are seeds and they are trying. There's the sign and the bear. And then it is one more week. He's bringing a pot. I wonder what he's going to plant in there. And the brown, still brown, has a greenish hum that you can only hear if you put your ear to the ground and close your eyes. They're all listening, and look at all the creatures that live underground. And then it is one more week. Putting up a tire swing. And a sunny day, that sunny day that happens right after that rainy day. You can tell it rained from all the puddles. And look, they made a bird feeder out of a milk carton. And you walk outside to check on all that brown. They're coming out of their house. But the brown isn't around, and now you have green. All around you have green. Look, all the little plants are growing, the grass is green, the fields are green. There's a little please do not stomp here sign. The end. Just like in the book, every spring, we grow a garden at our house as well. We grow things like cucumbers and tomatoes and hot peppers. Do you like hot peppers? Everyone in my family does, except for Chase. Chase does not like hot peppers. We also grow summer squash and pumpkins for Halloween.
Do you have a garden in your house?
If so, what are some of the things that you plant every year?
My favorite vegetable is carrots. Bye-bye!
If you had fun reading with us today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time on Adventures with Chase and Stella.